Welcome students. In the series of fraction, today we are going to learn addition and subtraction of fraction. At first we will learn to add like fractions. Like fractions means fractions with same denominator. For example, just see here 3 by 7 plus 2 by 7. Here denominators are 7 in both fractions. So when we add these two kind of fractions which are like fractions, we will write same common denominator which is 7, and we will just add normally. 3 plus 2 equals to 5. So our answer will be 5 by 7. In similar way, to subtract like fractions means fractions with same denominator, we will subtract normally. 3 minus 2 equals to 1. It is the numerator, and denominator will be same, 4. So our subtraction 3 by 4 minus 2 by 4 equals to 1 by 4. Now your first question is this: 2 by 11 plus 5 by 11 plus 4 by 11. Here the common denominator is 11 and we have to add numerators. So 2 plus 5 plus 4, and we will write the common denominator as denominator. Now we will add the numerators. That is 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 4, 11. 11 by 11 equals to 1. Now next question is 19 by 25 minus 6 by 25 minus 3 by 25. So here denominator is same, 25 is the denominator, so we will write the common denominator 25, and in numerator 19 minus 6 minus 3. So we will solve this part of numerator. 19 minus 6 equals to 13. It means 13 minus 3 by 25. Now 13 minus 3 equals to 10. 10 by 25. Now we can uh, get the simplest form of 10 by 25 by dividing common factor, and the common factor of 10 and 25 is 5. So we will divide by 5 in numerator also and in denominator also. So we will get 5 2s are 10 and 5 5s are 25. To add fractions with different denominators. So here is the question: 1 by 2 plus 1 by 6. Here denominators are different. So what we need to do? Yes, we need to first calculate the LCM of 2 and 6. So what is the LCM of 2 and 6? We will use common division method. 2 and 6 is here. We will divide by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. Now what is the LCM? LCM equals to 2 multiplied by 3, which is equals to 6. Now here we have two methods. Either with the help of this LCM, find out the equivalent fraction of 1 by 2, and then we will add simply. Either there is one more method which I am going to tell you right now. We will write this LCM as denominator, here 6. Now we will divide in 6 by 2. 2 threes are 6. We will write 3 here and multiply this numerator 1. Then sign of plus. Then 6 ones are 6. So we will write 1 here, multiply this numerator. Now we will solve this. Always do multiplication first. 3 ones are 3 and 1 ones are 1. So we will write 3 plus 1 divided by 6. So here 6 is the denominator and 3 plus 1 equals to 4 is the numerator. So our new fraction is 4 by 6. It is our sum. But we can simplify it also because there is a common factor which is 2. So we will divide numerator and denominator by common factor 2. So 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. So it is 2 by 3. We can understand addition by one more question. 2 by 3 plus 1 by 6. Here is also denominators are different. So what we will do? We will write 3 and 6 here and we will find out LCM. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. Because 3 is a common divisor of 3 and 6. Now LCM will be 3 multiplied by 2. It means 6 is the LCM. Now what we will do? We will write LCM as denominator here 6. Now 3 we will divide in 6 by 3. 3 twos are 6. So we will write 2 here. Multiply this numerator plus 6 ones are 6. We will write 1 here. Multiply this numerator here. Now 2 twos are 4 plus 1 ones are 1. So here 4 plus 1 by 6. Now 4 plus 1 equals to 5. 5 by 6 is our sum. Now take one more example. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 12. Now again what we need to find out first? LCM of denominators. So denominators are 2, 3, 12. And what are the common divisor? What is the common divisor of 2, 3 and 12? No, there is no common divisor of all these three numbers. But yes, for any two number we have common divisor. So at first we will take the smallest prime number 2. So we will write 2 here. 2 ones are 2, 3 as it is, 2 6 are 12. Now we will divide by 3. 3 ones are 3. 1 as it is, 3 ones are 3 and 3 twos are 6. Now there is no common divisor, so we will stop here and we will find out the product of common divisor and remaining numbers, which is the LCM, which is equals to 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2. It means equals to 12. Now what we will do? Yes, we will write down this LCM as denominator. Now 2 6 are 12. We will divide in 12 by 2. 2 6 are 12. Multiply. We will write this numerator 1 here plus 3 4s are 12. Multiply. We will write this numerator 1 here plus 12 ones are 12. Multiply by 1. Now 6 ones are 6 plus 4 ones are 4 plus 1 ones are 1. And by 12. It is our denominator. Now we will solve this numerator. 6 plus 4 plus 1, which is equals to 11. It means 11 by 12 is your sum, and it is the simplest form. Now let us solve few questions of subtraction. Subtraction with different denominators. Here is one question, 7 by 12 minus 4 by 9. Here 12 and 9 are denominators. And we will find out LCM first. LCM of 12 and 9. What is a common divisor? Yes, 3. So we will divide by 3. 3 4s are 12. 3 3s are 9. Now 4 and 3. There is no common divisor of 4 and 3. So we will stop here and we will multiply this common divisor and remaining numbers. So here it is. Your LCM will be 36. So we will write 36 as denominator here and we will divide in 36 by 12. 12 threes are 36. Multiply by 7 minus 9 fours are 36. Multiply by 4. 3 sevens are 21 minus 4 fours are 16 by 36. Now 21 minus 16 equals to 5 by 36. So it is our difference of these two fractions. Now take one more question. 7 by 8 minus 5 by 12. At first we will find out LCM of 8 and 12. So here LCM of 8 and 12. What is a common divisor of 8 and 12? Yes, 2. 2 fours are 8. 2 6 are 12. And what is the common divisor of 4 and 6? Yes, 2. So we will divide by 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. But there is no common divisor of 2 and 3 other than 1. So we will stop here and we will multiply these common divisor and remaining numbers to find out LCM. So LCM will be 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3, which is equals to 24. This 24 will be our new denominator. Now we will divide in 24 by both the denominators. 8, when we divide 24 by 8, 8 threes are 24. So we will write 3 here, multiply this numerator, sign of subtraction minus 12 twos are 24. We will write 2 here, multiply this numerator. Now 3 sevens are 21 minus 2 fives are 10 by 24. So 21 minus 10 equals to 11 by 24. It is a subtraction. Let us do subtraction for three fractions. 9 by 10 minus 1 by 5 minus 1 by 2. So what are the denominators? 10, 5 and 2. At first we will find out the LCM of 10, 5, 2. Here 10, 5, 2. Is there any common divisor for all? No. But there is common divisor for any 2. So we will take 2. 2 fives are 10, 5 as it is, and 2 ones are 2. Now here is a common divisor for these two numbers, which is 5. So we will divide by 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5 and 1 as it is. No, now LCM will be 2 multiplied by 5, which is equals to 10. This LCM will be our new denominator. So we will write 10 here. Now 10 ones are 10 multiply by this numerator minus 5 twos are 10 multiply by this numerator 1 minus 2 fives are 10. We will write 5 here, multiply by this numerator. Now 1 nines are 9 minus 2 ones are 2 minus 5 ones are 5 by 10. We will solve this. 9 minus 2. At first 9 minus 2, which is equals to 7. 7 minus 5 equals to 2. So 2 by 10. And we know that we can simplify this by dividing by 2. So here 2 divided by 2 equals to 1 and 10 divided by 2 equals to 5. So 1 by 5. So after understanding how to convert mixed into improper and improper to mixed, now we will come on adding mixed numbers with same denominator. Here are two methods, method 1 and method 2. I'm going to tell you both the methods. So here is your question. We will solve it by both the methods. Question is 1 and 1 by 3 plus 3 and 1 by 3. Here you can see that these are mixed numbers with same denominator. Denominator is 3 in both the numbers. So in this method 1, what we will do, we know that mixed number is a combination of whole and fraction. So here we will add whole numbers separately in this method 1 and fractions separately. So 1 plus 3, these are the whole numbers, plus fractions 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. 1 plus 3 equals to 4, plus we can add these fractions with same denominator very easily just by adding numerators. 1 plus 1 equals to 2 and denominator will be same, 3. 4 plus 2 by 3. Now here are whole number and fractions. Two type of things are here. So here we can write this as a mixed number 4 and 2 by 3 very easily. Now we will solve the same question by method 2. So this is the same question, 1 and 1 by 3 plus 3 and 1 by 3. Now what we will do, at first in this method 2, we will convert these mixed numbers in improper. I have already told you how to convert mixed numbers into improper. It is very simple. That rule of math, multiply, add, denominator stays the same. So 3 ones are 3 plus 1 means 4. 4 by 3 plus 3 threes are 9 plus 1, 10 by 3. So these are improper fractions with same denominators. Now what we need to do? We need to just add them, and it is very easy. Denominator will be same as 3 and we will add the numerators. 10 plus 4, 14 by 3. Now it is improper, so we need to convert it into mixed number. To convert it, I have already told you, we will divide in 14 by 3. So here we will write 14 and we will divide by 3. 3 fours are 12. We will subtract it. Remainder will be 2. Now we will write it as a mixed fraction, which is 4 and 2 by 3. Answer will be same in both the cases. Take one more question. This question I am doing with method 2. Here 3 and 3 by 4 plus 2 and 3 by 4. Both are mixed numbers. Mixed number is a combination of whole and a fraction. So at first we will convert these mixed numbers into improper. And how? 3 fours are 12. 12 plus 3, 15. 15 by 4. And in similar way, 4 twos are 8. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 by 4. Now because denominators are same, so addition is very simple. 15 plus 11, 26 by 4. Now 26 by 4 can be simplified because there is a common factor which is 2. 2 is a common factor of both numerator and denominator. So we will divide by 2 in 26, then we will get 13, and when we will divide in 4 we will get 2. So 13 by 2. Now 13 by 2 is improper fraction, so we will convert this into mixed number. So we will divide in 13 by 2, we will get 6 and 1 by 2. Now take one more example. Here I am using method 1 so that both methods will be clear. 1 and 1 by 4 plus 5 and 3 by 4. There are two mixed numbers we have to add. At first we will add the whole number part 1 plus 5 and fraction part separately. 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. Now 1 plus 5 equals to 6 plus here 3 plus 1 4. 4 by 4. Now 4 by 4 is equals to 1. We know when we divide in 4 by 4 we get 1. So 6 plus 1 which is equals to 7. So these are both methods 1 and methods 2 for adding mixed numbers with same denominator. Now next question is 105 and 7 by 15 plus 220 and 2 by 15. Now we have to add these mixed numbers also with same denominator. The same thing we will do just like method 1. We will add these whole numbers separately. It means 105 plus 220 plus 7 by 15 plus 2 by 15 separately. These are fractions. So we will add these whole numbers and we will get 325 plus when we add these fractions with common denominator, we will add 7 plus 2 which is equals to 9. 9 by 15. Now we will observe this fraction. We can simplify this fraction because there is a common divisor which is 3. So we will divide it by 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 5s are 15. So here 325 plus 3 by 5. Now here is a whole number and a fraction and we can write them together as a mixed number. 325 and 3 by 5. Let us do one more question. Yes, 6 and 1 by 19 plus 7 and 3 by 19 plus 10 and 9 by 19. Here are three mixed numbers, so we will add them, but method 1 will be same. We will add these whole numbers separately and we will add these fractions separately. So 6 plus 7 plus 10 plus 1 by 19 plus 3 by 19 plus 9 by 19. So here 6 plus 7 plus 10 which is equals to 23 plus we will add these numerator because denominators are same. 1 plus 3 plus 9 equals to 13 by 19. Now we cannot simplify this. It is already in simplest form. So we will write this whole number and fraction as a mixed number. So it is 23 and 13 by 19. Right? Now Next is adding mixed numbers with different denominator. Here also we can use method 1 also and method 2 also. This first question I'm going to solve with both the methods so that you can understand both the methods and you can use any methods according to you. So for method 1, 2 and 1 by 2 plus 1 and 1 by 3. Here you can see denominators are different and these are mixed numbers. So according to method 1, what we will do, we will add these whole numbers separately and we will add these fractions separately. So here 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. 2 plus 1 equals to 3 plus here 2 and 3 different denominators, so we will find out LCM and we know that LCM of co-prime numbers are multiplication of those numbers. It means 2 3s are 6. So here LCM is 6. And how we solve this, I have already told you in previous video. 2 3s are 6. We will write 3 here, multiply by this numerator 1 plus 3 2s are 6. We will write 2 here, multiply this numerator 1. Now we will solve this. We will write 3 plus, we will solve this. Always do multiplication first. So what it will be? 3 ones are 3 plus 2 ones are 2 by 6. Now we will solve this numerator part, 3 plus 2. Then it will be 3 plus 5 by 6. Now we can write this whole number and fraction as a mixed number, which is 3 and 5 by 6. Let us do this same question by method 2. Here is the method 2. At first, we will convert this mixed number in improper fraction in method 2. So 2 and 1 by 2. I have already told you how to convert mixed fractions in improper. 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5 by 2, and 3 1s are 3 plus 1. It means 4 by 3. Now these are improper fractions with different denominators 2 and 3. So same LCM. LCM is 6 here for 2 and 3. We can use that LCM. We will write LCM as denominator and 2 3s are 6. We will divide in 6 by 2 and the question we will write here 2 3s are 6. 3 we will write here, multiply by this numerator 5 plus 3 2s are 6. We will write 2 here, multiply this numerator 4. Now 3 5s are 15 plus 2 4s are 8. We will solve this. Always do multiplication first. So 3 5s are 15 plus 2 4s are 8 by 6. Now we will add this numerator. 15 plus 8 equals to 23 by 6. And here we can see it is improper fraction. Why? Because numerator is greater than 6. So we will divide in 23 by 6 and we will convert it into mixed number. So here I am going to divide 23 by 6. 6 3s are 18. 23 minus 18 equals to 5. So 3 is quotient, which is our whole number. 5 is remainder, which is our numerator, and 6 is our denominator. So we will write here 3 and 5 by 6. So the answer will be same whether you will use method 1 or method 2. Let us do one more question with different denominator, but here I'm going to tell you by method 2 so that your method 2 will also be strong. So now 5 and 3 by 4 plus 3 and 5 by 6. These are mixed numbers. According to method 2, we will convert these into improper fraction first. So how we convert this into improper? 5 4s are 20 plus 3, 23 by 4 plus 6 3s are 18 plus 5, 23 by 6. Now these are improper fractions with different denominator. Denominators are 4 and 6. At first we will find out LCM. Whenever there are different denominators, we need to find out LCM. So here LCM of 4 and 6. We know that common factor of 4 and 6 is prime number 2. So we will divide by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Now there is no common factor other than 1. So we will stop here and we will multiply this common divisor and remaining numbers. So that will be our LCM. LCM equals to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. It means 12. Now we will write that LCM as denominator. So 12 will be our denominator. Now we will divide by 4 in 12. 4 3s are 12. We will write 3 here. Multiply this numerator 23 plus 6 2s are 12. We will write 2 here. Multiply this numerator. Now we will solve this. Always do multiplication first. 3 multiply 23. It is 69 plus 46 by 12. Now we will find out the sum of these numerators. Yes, 69 plus 46, which is equals to 115 by 12. Now because it is improper, we should convert this into mixed number also. So what we need to do? We need to divide in 115 by 12. So we will divide it and try to do it orally. 12 nines are 108. So 9 will be our whole number. And when we subtract from 115, 108, we will get 7. So 7, which is our remainder, it is our numerator also. So 9 and 7 by 12. Try to do orally. It is a mental maths. Next question is 1 and 1 by 6 plus 2 and 4 by 9. These are also mixed numbers with different denominators. So here also I am using method 2. At first we will convert these mixed numbers into improper. 6 ones are 6 plus 1. It means 7 by 6 plus 22 by 9. Now here denominators are different, 6 and 9. So we will find out LCM. LCM of 6 and 9. So here common factor is 3. So we will divide by 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. Now we will stop here because there is no common factor other than 1. LCM will be multiplication of this common divisor and remaining numbers. It means LCM will be 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3, which is equals to 18. Now this 18 will be our new denominator. Now we will divide by 6. 6 3s are 18. Multiply by this numerator 7 plus 9 2s are 18. Multiply by this numerator 22. Now we will solve this. Always do multiplication first. 3 7s are 21 plus 2 22s are 44. So here it is 21 plus 44 by 18. We will add these numerators. So it is 65 by 18. Now here, because it is improper fraction, we need to convert this into mixed number by dividing 65 by 18. So here mixed number will be 3 and 11 by 18. So my dear students, always do practice. Practice is very important in mathematics. So do practice. Okay, goodbye. So at first we will subtract mixed numbers with same denominators, and here I am using method 1. 4 and 3 by 7 minus 1 and 1 by 7. According to this method, we will use the property of mixed numbers, that mixed number is a combination of whole and fraction. It means 4 and 3 by 7 is equals to 4 plus 3 by 7, and 1 and 1 by 7 is equals to 1 plus 1 by 7. So according to this property, what we will do, we will subtract whole numbers separately and fractions separately. It means 4 minus 1 plus 3 by 7 minus 1 by 7. 4 minus 1 is very easy. 3 will be here, and 3 by 7 minus 1 by 7, because denominators are same, so we will just subtract numerators. It means 3 minus 1 equals to 2. So it is 2 by 7. Now here 3 is a whole number and 2 by 7 is fraction. So 3 plus 2 by 7 can be written as mixed number 3 and 2 by 7. Very easy. Now we will subtract mixed numbers with different denominators. Here I am using method 2. So see here, 6 and 3 by 5 minus 2 and 3 by 10. These are mixed numbers. So what we will do, at first we will convert these mixed numbers into improper. So here it is 6 5s are 30, 30 plus 3, 33 by 5 minus 10 2s are 20, 20 plus 3, 23 by 10. Now 5 and 10 are different denominators, so we will find out LCM. So here I have already calculated the LCM of 5 and 10 and it is equals to 10. So we will write this LCM as new denominator and now we will solve this. We will divide in 10 by 5. 5 2s are 10. So we will write 2 here. Multiply this numerator 33. Now sign of minus. Then 10 divided by 10 equals to 1. 10 ones are 10. So we will write 1 here. Multiply this numerator 23. Now we will solve multiplication first. 2 multiply by 33, that is equals to 66, and 123, 1 multiply 23 equals to 23. So 66 minus 23 by 10. Now we will subtract and we will get this 43 by 10. Because it is improper fraction, numerator is greater than denominator, so we will convert this into mixed number. We will divide in 43 by 10, and you can do it orally also. 10 4s are 40, so we will write 4 as whole number and we will subtract 43 minus 40 equals to 3. It means 3 is our numerator. So our mixed number is 4 and 3 by 10. Next type of subtraction, subtracting from whole number. It is very easy. 1 minus 8 by 21. Here you can write this 1 as 1 by 1. Because 1 is a whole number, we can write it as a fraction 1 by 1 minus 8 by 21. And you know that 1 is neither prime nor composite. And here 1 and 21. When we will find out LCM of any number with 1, we get that number as a LCM. We will just multiply this. 1 multiply 21 equals to 21. So 21 is the new LCM. So we will write 21 as new denominator. Now 1, we will divide in 21 by 1. We will get 21. Multiply this numerator minus 21. 1s are 21. So we will write 1 multiply numerator 8. Now we will solve this. 21 1s are 21 minus 1 8s are 8. We will do subtraction later. Now we will do subtraction. 21 minus 8 equals to 13 by 21, and it is a proper fraction. That's why it is our final answer. Let us do one more question. Here subtracting from whole number, 3 is a whole number and we have to subtract 1 and 7 by 10 from this, and this 1 and 7 by 10 is a mixed number. So at first we will convert this 1 and 7 by 10 as improper fraction. So here it is. We can write whole number as 3 by 1 as a fraction minus whole number, and this is fraction part, it is a mixed number, so we will convert it. 10 1s are 10 plus 7, 17 by 10. Now we can solve it easily. 1 or 10, there are two denominators, 1 and 10, and we know that the final denominator is 10 because there is one denominator which is 1. So final denominator is 10. We will write 10 here. Now we will divide in 10 by 1. So we will get 10. Multiply this numerator minus 10 1s are 10, multiply this numerator 17. Now we will do multiplication first. 10 3s are 30 minus 1 17s are 17 by 10. Now we will subtract 30 minus 17, which is 13 by 10. Now this 13 by 10 is improper fraction, so that we will convert it into mixed number. 13 by 10. So how we will convert? We will divide in 13 by 10. So we can do it orally. 10 1s are 10 one time. So we will write 1 as whole number and remainder will be 3. 1 and 3 by 10. So try to do this particular part orally.